I'll be showing you how to do these nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You will need red polish and glitter polish for this design. I'm gonna start by painting all my nails red except for one. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. Also, you see me painting this finger red. I was not supposed to, so I went back and wiped it off. Now I'm going to start by putting a dot in the middle of the nail and doing vertical and horizontal lines from it. Now I'm going to outline the nail with the red polish. Now I'm going to do some diagonal lines. Now I'm just lightly polishing around the circle and in between the vertical horizontal lines to give it a nice little edgy effect. Now I'm going to put some silver glitter polish in the middle of the nail. This is what it looks like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.